guided me to spearhead. The Earth has many nodes, and I intend to visit each of those nodes in geographical regions, India, Africa, and France, and to sit with you and share divine transmissions through the sound field to help once again bring heaven to earth with these initiatives. I invite you to join me, and thank you for listening. Hi, I am Jan Cercone. I'm here at the Crystal Chalice store in Fairfax, California. And I woke up yesterday morning and I felt like I had gone over the rainbow. It was a solstice on June 21st, 2011. We have about a year and a half left for humanity to creatively, collaboratively shift what is occurring on Earth. Many people have many different pictures on what is occurring, and so I'm going to tell you from my own heart what I believe the divine plan is. Having been a nurse for many years, and a sound healer, and a mother, and working in many, many communities and with hospice patients. The Earth is being recreated into her divine alignment. And I know these sound like New Age words, but just check in your heart if this feels accurate. Eons ago, we went off track. We became unbalanced through the inner geometrics of the planet, which then became expressed through human behavior. Unbalanced, predatory behavior that has created havoc on the world. So our Creator has dispensed a healing plan. And how creative that it's through the people, and it is through their consciousness, which, as my work as a sound healer in teaching at the Sound and Consciousness Institute, these are things that can be represented as holographic vibrational fields that we can actually sense and even print out. The physics can show us now we are vibrational beings. So there are many beings on the planet now, super special divine beings, who signed a contract that when they came into the earth plane, there would be a certain wake-up call, a time, when they would help recreate Earth. We harmonize Earth so that man could live in harmony again. And the truth is, it is through this sound, musical, song field. It is through our voices and coming together through the vibrational field. And I learned this by working with hospice patients, sitting and witnessing the power of the heavenly divine sound mediated by the angels could assist a consciousness to lift and to go back out into the heavenly realms. Now, Rudolf Steiner said it will be the artists working through the etheric realm and the angelic fusing these new initiatives that we can ignite new pictures, new possibilities on Earth for ways to live, new financial systems. So my role in this as a sound being and singing is to work to bring harmonics around the world. So I've created a tour, and it's a global sound healing tour. And so take this little grid, geometric grid, and every person on the planet holds a node. I have worked with thousands of people doing sound, and what it is, we ignite and activate these codes of remembrance of our plan to come and return the earth plane back to Earth divinity. So as I embark on this tour, there are so many countries that I'm being called to come to. It's some sort of an internal promise that I've made somewhere to come and to sing and to sit and to be part of this earth community and to work together to activate these nodes and surround the planet and create something new, which is higher, which will allow more humans she herself is re-optimizing and accelerating her own development. So I invite you to participate with me by inviting me into your community here in the United States. I'll eat the food you cook, I'll sit in your front rooms, I'll come to your church. It does not have to be a fancy concert. I just want to come and sit and sing your songs, and together we will mix these new harmonics, bringing in these delightful divine energies, implanting them into your community in these circles of light. So I invite you to join me in any way that feels right for you. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you soon. On this tour, I feel as if I'm a bit of a gypsy, and this is the perfect image for truly we are all orphans. So many times we ask ourselves, what am I doing here? How did I land here? And how do I get back home to my true divine parents? In fact, we are all gypsies, so on this tour I imagine that we'll be making music together as gypsies and taking the world and ourselves home. This is the image that inspired me to begin this Be the Light Global Link Up Sound Healing Tour. I truly feel that we are all orphans. From the minute we arrive on earth, we have had a longing and a sense of a more harmonious, peaceful, serene existence. And we can create that together through sound and intentional divine transmission. So my idea is to wander the earth as a gypsy and meet you on these many places in the earth and instill within these community circles, by sharing our songs, this love of the Creator and making heaven on earth once again. So the instrument that I'll be bringing is very simple. Together we will heal each other, combine our songs, mix our frequencies and blanket the earth with the deepest prayer to our Creator to be one once again. Thank you. So I have my sister Celestine Starr here to help you be inspired to get on the bus and to be the light.
Yeah, I think we should.
Yes. We're going to be the light.
We're gonna be the light.
You got to be the light.
You got to be the light.
You got to be it now.
You got to be it now.
You got to be the light. Don't turn it off. We don't have to sing pretty. We just have to sing.
We just have to sing.
So we are going to make up a song to inspire you. Be the light. Get on the bus. You've got to be the light.
You got to
Get on the bus. You got to be the light.
Get on that bus. You got to be the light.
You got to
Get on that bus.
You got to be the light. Get on that bus. Woo! Woo! Permission granted.
Permission.